What's up, YouTube family? It's Katina the Broker back with another Live Good video. But today's video is a little different because I want to show you why I started building my team at Live Good and I stopped building a team as a business loan broker. Okay, now let me just say this first too. I am not talking about no specific company that does business loans because I was an affiliate at multiple companies, okay, for like startup loans, equipment loans, just different types of business loans. And I still do business loans, but I'm just not building a team, right? So this came up because somebody wanted to go back and forth with me on one of my YouTube videos. And so I should bring it up. I should bring it up, but somebody wanted to go back and forth with me on my YouTube video. And, I just felt like I should not have had to explain myself on that video. It's one of these, hold on one second. It's one of my really popular, actually, I think this is it. This is it right here. So he just wanted, oh yeah, it covers the name. That's good. So yeah, he wanted to go back and forth about why I wasn't building a team. I can start and stop whenever I want, right? But let me just tell you. So let me just get back to the point. All right. So, but I stopped building a team as business loan brokers because number one, I think that people like to sign up as a business loan broker because it sounds cool, right? But let me just tell you this. Once you get people to say yes, they want to apply with you and get a business loan, 90% of them are declined. Okay, and then you got 5% who will reject the offer because they feel like I can do better than this on my own. So that's one reason I stopped building my team of business loan brokers and I started building a team at Live Good instead. All right. Another reason I stopped building a team, of business loan brokers is that I grew my team, thousands of people. I recruited thousands of people within a 12-month time frame, believe it or not, thousands of people, right? And the thing is, a lot of people are just not going to sell. It's just what it is. A lot of people are not going to do the job. So I think some people just signed up because there was no cost, no obligation. They could just sign up and be in, right? So, but with Live Good, you have a $49 fee. But the difference between the two is that once you bring other people in, you don't, there's not a high rejection. There's not a high rejection ratio, once you bring people in. But I started building my team at Live Good instead is because we can build people on top of people on top of people. All right. That's one reason. And because it's global. So check this out. A lot of the business loans, stuff was like US only. But as you can see right here, you see all these different countries. If you look over here, if you look over here, it's like all these different countries. So that's why Live Good is better also. But let me tell you, another big reason that I stopped building my team of business loan brokers is, let me just show you this right here. If I can get it straight. All right, statistics. So let me tell you, as a business loan broker, I used to drive like hundreds of people to the websites every single day. And as you can see, I'm still doing it right here at Live Good, right? But what I like about Live Good is that the transparency. I like the transparency. It tells me that my work efforts are not in vain. It shows me that, I'm not, that what I'm doing is working. It helps me to clearly see my conversion ratio. So that's one thing I like about Live Good. And let me tell you, when you're building a business loan broker team, you can't really see how many people are going to your web page every day. I would show you and log in there, but everywhere you go in those back offices is people's personal information. So I can't even go and show you, which trust me, I looked before I started this video, but yeah, you can see how many people are pre-enrolling. Pre-enroll means they secured their position. That's what pre-enroll means. And so yeah, let me just tell you that. All right. There we go. So yeah, so business loan broker or build a team at LiveGood. In the long run, the LiveGood team is definitely gonna last longer, okay? Because in the business loan broker world, a lot of people give up when they are getting these constant rejections, okay? When the people they bring in to get a business loan are constantly rejecting it, it just feels like it's in vain. So now let me tell you, I can sell, okay? I was whipping out business loans every day, every couple days, but you know, that's why I'm doing though too. Let me tell you, I am doing a free masterclass on how to sell. So I'm going to put that link in the description box of this video. And then just depending on when you see it, because it's going to be live. I haven't set the date yet. It's going to be live within the next 14 days of this video. And so anybody who sees this video at a later date, they will be able to see the recording, okay? But I am doing a video on, or a master class. It's called The Class You Didn't Know You Needed, all right? But it's going to be a class all about how to sell. As a business loan broker, when I was like really doing that full time, I was whipping out them business loans a couple times a week. But most of my team, out of thousands of people, it was probably about 2,000. So out of about 2,000 people, I would say 3 to 5 consistently got business loans funded. And when I say consistently, I mean twice out of a 12-month time frame. So I would say 3 to 5 people, probably 2 to 5 times out of a 1-year time frame. So for me, LiveGood is definitely the winner. LiveGood is definitely more worth my time because this is something that's going to grow, grow, and grow. And let me just show you. Let me get back to my screen really quick. Let me just show you how fast LiveGood is growing. All right, hold on one second. I don't want to give you so much personal information. Let me see. My team. Okay, the power line. Let me tell y'all, look at this. 64,805 members have joined after me. All right, guess what? I'm going to reap the benefits from 64,000 people. That's the difference in building a team at LiveGood and building a team as a business loan broker. The work efforts, the benefits of our work efforts don't stop. So there you go. If this is your first time watching my channel, don't forget to subscribe. And that's it. And again, I'll put in my disclaimer. I'm not talking about any specific business loan broker company because I'm an affiliate at multiple places. But I just wanted to explain the difference because people continue to ask me or want to join my team, right? And so I'm just not building a team over there anymore. So if you want the free mentorship from me and you want to be on a team with me, I'm at LiveGood. That's just what it is. So I thank you for watching this video. I'm Katina the Broker, and I will see you next time. Also, though, if you want to join our team at LiveGood, it's joinkatina.com or getmoney2023.com. I got 2 domain names for it. So that's it. That's it for today. And I'll see you next time. Take care.